Everybody's gonna want to Nah, but for real, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be turning this old, I'd say about 7-foot kayak into a beast of a fishing kayak. And I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. So in case you guys have a kayak like this at home laying around, and you guys want to turn it into a fishing kayak, this is what you're gonna need and how you're gonna have to do it. Yeah. So what we got here is a Pelican. I don't know what kayak. It's just a little sit inside. I don't know. It's probably about 7 foot. He's about 5'9", and this is how he fits in it. So I already ripped this open, but what we've got here for the fishing kayak accessories, we've got 2 handles. One will go on either side. We got a paddle holder, which will clip onto the side to hold your paddle when you're fishing. We've got two rod holders flush mount for the back to put here so that 2 rods can go in the back. Then we have one movable just rod holder for the front, sit right here. So I'm just gonna record myself putting all this stuff on, and then we're gonna go fishing in the kayak and see if it works. No, it's can't. Oh, and also to put all these parts on, you're gonna need a powder drill or some kind of drill. And also, if you're getting the flush mount rod holders, you're gonna need something a little bit bigger to put holes in the back that are big enough to fit that down in there. You know what I'm saying? Next one. Boom! Now I got that on. Put this in, which opens to put your rod in. Boom. Push her down. Lock her. Bam!
Ooh. We got all this gear at Academy Sports, by the way, guys.
Academy Sports. Academy sponsors.
Yeah, gear.
So that's where the holes will be, and then I need to get a big hole right here in the middle. I mean, it did a pretty good job, I'd say.
Yeah. Oh, so close. Dude, it's so close. Oh, there we go. After this.
Clean!
Clean.
Now I gotta make the square.
Oh, lopsided. Looks like a McDonald's chicken nugget.
Oh!
That looked good.
I mean, they're not perfectly symmetrical, but close enough.
Oh yeah.
Shit. Oh.
Yeah.
What do we have left?
A lot. Yeah, putting on the handles. Alright.
Shit.
We're trying to put the handle on right now.
There she is. Just flip her back around here. Yeet.
Ah, there we go.
I just nutted.
Oh.
Don't leave me. No.
Community.
It's not going anywhere.
Not going anywhere.
Not going anywhere.
Marking it.
Pimp my kayak for today. you're gonna fall out, we got handles. Hold on tight, boy. Spent 80 bucks. Plus how much the kayak was, probably 150 for a fishing kayak, which usually costs about 500 bucks for a decent one. All that you're lacking is storage, but I mean, you got these things on the back.
I could always.
You're gonna put the circle thing right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna upgrade even more with a circle, the watertight storage. We're gonna let the GoPro batteries charge, we're gonna rest, but then the next clips you're gonna see are us going fishing. Me and my kayak in the back of the truck over there. A proper bought fishing kayak versus a built fishing kayak, which actually I think it turned out better than I thought it would. So we're gonna rest and I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, boy, put the new and improved kayak in the water.
Oh, she floats.
She definitely floats. Yeah. Put the non-wet stuff in the non-wet box. We off to the races, son. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yellow perch on the spoon. Yellow perch on the spoonful today. Got a fish. Two of them. One fell off. Cast over here. They're like right in there. It's catfish bait, boys. Let's go. No, just little perch boy. Shoot. Hooked onto my GoPro. Let him swim down. Here, casting you're kind of near mine.
I am.
This guy should have other fish around him. So then they get on and then you, oh yeah, there you go, set the hook.
Oh, there we go.
One fell off. Get him, caught. Yeah.
He upside down.
I got 3.
I got one.
At the freaking spot, cuz. This spot suits me right here. Boom. Hey, look who made it. Look who pulled up. They throwing me on a piece of bait.
All the way out there. Go one eye. Aussies for the win. Ahaha. So this is my channel now. Yeah, welcome to the Aussies. I'm not flexing, you are. Oh.
It's a bit slippery out here.
Slippery? Oh shit, bro.
Shit, it's getting deep, ain't it?
Bro! Oh my. We're going for a swim?
Bit of a swim, yeah?
Yeah. Idea, bro. Actually, no, cool idea.
Oh shit, you got a bite, bro.
Oh my. Bite?
She's loose.
Oh, Retty.
Oh yeah, she's on there.
Oh yeah. Catch her, lad.
Lad.
Set the hook.
She's on there.
She on?
Lad, she came off.
Catch it. Oh yes. Aussies get it. Let's go, mate.
Oh, feels kind of small. She's rolling.
Oi. It's rolling.
She's rolling, boy.
Oi.
They're not tiny.
It's not too bad. Oi. Cat.
They're little blue catfish, eh, kids? First one of the day. Little guy. The cool part about this guy is you can watch him spawn. The Aussies did something for once, didn't they?
Without vegging my eyebrow.
Without Vegemite.
Is she big?
She's on, I know that much.
Oh. She big?
what the?
What the what? What, bro? Oi! Oh, is this gonna handle a big old catch here?
I think it was huge and it came off.
Oh. Another one.
Ah.
Off?
Yeah.
Oi.
The car keys, we don't fishing now.
Get the car keys. I'm from Chicago. Yeah, get the car keys. We're going fishing. Gonna catch me a big old catfish here. Chicago.